Cyberglowz interior light kit right here. We're gonna see if it sticks where it says it's gonna stick, and we're gonna find out how hard it is to run the wires. I got it in plastic in here. Got a nice snap on there, so once you plug it in,
he said snap on.
it doesn't pull back apart. Oh crap.
Copyright.
And then you can just
Not a sponsor.
unplug it. It's got a little like O-ring looking piece in there. Seal it up. I like that. That's a nice touch.
You
That's
get
a nice
little,
touch.
Plate textured there. That's cool, huh? It's at least 5 extra horsepower.
Is that like a remote?
Yeah, it's like a remote because it is a remote.
Oh, well that makes sense then.
It looks like it's plugged right into your cigarette lighter, which I hate that, but
It is annoying. It looks tacky.
It does. It looks tacky. Makes it look like you got something that wasn't professionally installed.
So you can either cut this wire and have extension wire and go up through the hood. Yeah.
This should be fun. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get the car pulled in, and we're gonna see what we're working with. You got to get it cleaned up a little bit. So
You do that, and I'll keep doing
where's my
this.
keys, man? Next tool I'm
Pulling
getting.
that out. You pulling that out?
What?
That.
For what?
Pulling the light out, so I can start it over here.
Oh.
Is that what do you want?
We were not on the same page, man.
No.
I'm over here like installing it.
I'm like, wait a minute.
Yeah. What's he doing? He's putting it in. Stop. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna look good. It might end up popping out at some point.
It's just.
And see, the product videos make it look super easy and super, you know. I don't know if I like that.
I don't like that. Yeah. All right. But see, look, it's just pushing right in.
Maybe not. It's sort of. So when it makes this turn, it doesn't want to lay completely flat.
And it doesn't want to lay into the corner.
For the most part, it does bend pretty well.
Yeah.
There's a few angles which aren't the fault of the product. I mean, how would you make a product like
Right.
this to bend? You know what I mean? We're not.
Yeah.
Unless you have some nanotechnology or some shit. I mean, it's a pretty good design.
Yeah.
It's my toolbox. Get a shot of that.
Huh?
Get a shot of that tool. That's okay. This guy. Holding the show up, man.
I got some zip ties.
You got some? Look at them work. Look at the concentration.
Do what you gotta do.
That's nice. That's good work.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Good rod handling.
That's the only way I like it.
That steering wheel cover is very you.
Does it accent my eyes?
It does.
Yeah. All right. So
There's
now
a fuse box right under there.
now it's time to lay on my back. Don't even.
Just
leave that alone. Just leave it alone. The sun is shining right in your face.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get over here. There.
It'd be a little different.
Here we go. I solved that problem for you. Don't look up. Right over top.
Okay, all right. Ooh. Oh, that was good. All right, a little more, a little more. Don't want to, with wires, you got to remember, peeps, don't pull the zip ties real tight because you might pinch the wire and lose your...
And you never know when you might need some slack.
Lose your power, yeah. So don't pull them, don't yank them tight. Leave them a little bit loose. All right, so we're right here at the fuse box with this one, dude. I mean, we've got all this extra wire. We've got all this extra wire at the end, right up to where we got the fuse box, so we're good.
All right, on to the next spot. It doesn't quite fit 100% into some of the crevices, but like we said, you can't be perfect with some of a product like this on every single dash.
And you got it right up over here, too.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
I like it. I think I'm going to get this for my truck now.
Yeah, you sold on it?
I'm sold on it.
We're not even done yet.
No.
Get on to the next one.
Alright, so we're going to need to zip tie that up there, but I'm not going to zip tie one wire. So we got this here, and we got our other one here. Yeah. This wire's bent a little bit. Alright, we got it. We got it. Okay. So we got power to that one. Now this we don't need. Oops. Yeah, that's over there. And just had that right there and ran this around. Because it's out of the way. You're still not going to see it. Actually, you won't see it at all. And it doesn't look terrible. And then I'll just cut the wire over here and run it to the box. Alright. Yeah, let's get the show on the road, people. Oh, you want to get a good view, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thanks, actually. You're doing me a favor. Well, I'll do you a favor, too. You keep standing right there. Oh, all right. Food. All right, I got it.
It's wired up.
We'll try it. All right, so now we got to figure out these fuses. We got to figure out what's what.
And roll that beautiful bean footage.
I need you.
F02.
F28. F28's rear windows.
Bingo.
That's a big one too. All right, we'll go with F28. So that's a 230s. It's the rear one. All right, so. All right.
So now we
It's
just
just
start
right.
it.
It's just right, huh?
Now we start it and test it. It's not turning on, Matt.
Being what?
Your beans a shot. See what he can do.
Yeah, they are.
What? His name is
No.
Beans.
Oh. I thought you said my beans are shot.
Oh,
I'm like, I have one kid. I don't know what you want me to say. save the day.
You know, that's the thing, is when you're having a problem, you can always count on a disheveled Amish man to come and help you out. All right.
Dang. All right, hop in, man.
You're like the Midwestern cool dad, huh?
Yeah.
You think we got it?
What do you think?
Oh, yeah. Hit the flashy. There you go.
Get underneath there. Yeah. That looks
Cool. Oh,
really
her
good.
other lights.
Dude.
Boom.
Dang. Now where'd I put the remote? Oh God. It's happening. The end is near.
There we go.
It looks more purple.
Dude,
What do you think?
I'm impressed.
Well, they work. So, what do we think of the lights? Think they worth buying?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
I mean, they were what? I think they were $50. Put them in a couple hours.
I like that it's a smooth light, and it's not like the LED lights in a strip like that where you have light. This is a smooth.
It's a continuous.
Yeah.
You know.
There's really not much else that you could do and make it look like that. I mean, it serves its purpose pretty good,
Yeah.
I think.
I would add maybe another mode to it because it's either this or that fucking flashing shit.
Solid, flashing,
Or this.
or just
This.
color
Oh wait,
I like this.
the
This
color
is
shift
color
is
shift.
yeah. That's the one that I think I would have on most of the time.
I agree.
You know,
Yeah,
because
I
the other one's
agree.
too frenetic. It's too much, and solid is boring.
Yeah.
So I think I would just chill and have this. I really like it. I feel like we were kind of hampered by the design of the dashboard a little bit. It would be
Yeah.
cool to have lights up here, but it's the, you know, it is what it is.
We pretty much got like.
Yeah,
I think it worked out perfect.
I think she's gonna love it.
That's it.
Now, maybe I just go and get her reaction, and you
That's
know,
the ticket.
yeah.
That's the ticket.
There you go. All right, now your remote is right there. The transmitter is right below your steering wheel. And there's an M on the remote for mode, or you can just change it to solid color.
Oh, geez, that's gonna do that. I like it.
Is
How
there,
do you-
huh?
Like that's green.
Just press the color.
Yeah, when you want it to stay one color, there you go.
Ah,
There you
it
go.
is. Cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching, bye.
That's a wrap.
Yeah. Yeah. Good job, guys. Yeah. Ready?
Oh,
I can't see what I'm doing.